Arithmetic is another area where the children need to spend quality time with the concrete materials in the Montessori environment. Therefore, we've tried to replicate some of the materials. This particular material is called number rods, and it is with this material that we introduce the names of quantities. In the Montessori classroom, each rod is given a separate name. So they understand that a small quantity, when it is in one section alone, we call it as one. If it is two sections, we call it as two. So it's basically one and one makes two. It's visually and sensorially very clear. Otherwise, children have a tendency to get confused when you introduce quantities other ways. I'm not going into the technicalities of it, but this is how we introduce quantities to the children, and it is very easy for them. So, it is very important that we maintain this order. Okay, this particular material is given in the kit only to the children to whom the actual material is already given in the Montessori environment. Therefore, they know how to arrange it, and this is exactly how you have to arrange it with all the red on the left and in descending order from 10 to 1. Just ask the children to arrange it and then call you. Once they have arranged it, you just sit with them and ask them, give me the rod of 5 or give me the strip of 5. Okay, and once the child picks it up, what you have to ask them is, so what have you brought me, or what have you taken? And let the child tell you the number and not you. Do not ask them, so did you bring 5? That is not the dialogue. The dialogue should be, what have you brought? And once the child says the number, encourage the child to count. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. You brought the strip of 5. Then go ahead, give another number. Maybe 8. Once the child brings, your question is, what have you brought? And let the child tell the number. And once he says the correct number, you can count. You or the child. What needs to be kept in mind is the fact that sometimes you would have asked for a particular number, but the child would have brought a completely different strip. Okay, that is all right. But the point is, if the child says the number of the strip that he or she has brought, then there's nothing to worry. You could be doing your own home chores, you could be cooking, and you can ask the child to just bring the strip, To make it a little more challenging, what we do is we keep the strips mixed up, and then we do the same activity. So it becomes a little more challenging when it is not in order. Ask for the strip, and once the child brings, ask them what they have brought, and if it is aligning with the strip that they have brought, then continue to count. You can do this activity as long as the children are interested.